Hello and welcome everybody. MMAT stock on 28th November. Let's see that step by step. If you are new to this video, don't forget to subscribe and like, and let's start with easy price predictions that can be applied. News on meta materials stock. So since we go for 1 day update, it's going to be this type of movements. So since we can go for the last part that we applied here, it's going to be about the red candle. Okay, we put circles, red candles and red green candles. So if we went for 1 week update, it's going to give us just different parties. So it was here on red candles. Okay, maybe we minimize it just a little bit. Here it seems that is going to be that disappearing part, which was going to be a red candle because it was so small on 1 day update. And we have here red and green candle on 1 week update. That is absolutely what is going to be to happen on MMAT next time or the next weeks.